With the rainy season in full swing, ABS-CBN held the first Red Alert Emergency Expo to educate people about disaster preparedness. Anjo Bagawisan gives us a look.
How do you save a life when danger strikes? That's what more than 350 participants learned Saturday at the first Red Alert Emergency Expo presented by ABS-CBN News and DZMM. Through intensive seminars conducted by government, non-government, and corporate partners, participants were given tips on what to do and what not to do during floods, fires, and earthquakes. Rescue groups demonstrated life-saving maneuvers on water, putting out fires, and rappelling from high-rise structures. They also shared must-have items for every home's survival kit. Participants learned how to give cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR and self-defense. They say the practical training comes in handy.
Papag-aralan ko para at least ma-apply ko sa tunay na pangyayari. Kasi continuous learning din sa ganito mga emergency course.
Ituturo ko din sa mga pamilya ko at paano ang gagawin nila.
Also at the event, 100 graduates of Alert U, Red Alert's radio school on air, received certificates and survival kits. ABS-CBN News head Jing Reyes says Red Alert's multi-platform advocacy feels a need in a country vulnerable to disasters.
Kaya po namin napag-isipan na gawing regular program ang Red Alert sa telebisyon at sa radyo ay para matulungan kayo, ang aming mga kapamilya, na matuto kung paano ito malalagpasan, kung paano haharapin ang hamon ng bawat kalamidad na hindi ho natin maiiwasang tumama sa ating mga komunidad at sa ating bayan.
Red Alert organizers are already working on a bigger, more extensive emergency expo next year. After all, when danger strikes, those who are prepared are one step ahead. Anjo Bagawisan, ABS-CBN News, Bulacan.